Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make simple Greek salad. This is a classic healthy salad that's good for almost any occasion, and it really only requires a handful of ingredients, and that includes a simple homemade dressing. This is one of those recipes that everyone should know how to make. We're gonna start by dicing up 1 English cucumber, and these are kind of small, so I'll probably be doing 2. You just wanna cut it up so that it's in nice, bite-sized, easy-to-eat pieces. And then place these all into a mixing bowl. Now, cucumber is really the star of the show here, so I like to have at least 3 to 4 cups. Next, you'll need 1 pint of either cherry or grape tomatoes, and you can slice those in half lengthwise or crosswise. Either way will work. And if they're really big, you may even want to quarter them. Then we'll add all of these in with our cucumber. Then you'll need half of a red onion, and you can either dice this or thinly slice. I like to be a little more onion forward in mine, so I go for the thinly sliced. We'll also add in about half a cup of pitted Kalamata olives, and mine are already sliced in half and pitted, which makes them much easier to eat. Now, the last component for a classic Greek salad is feta cheese. You can purchase this already crumbled or in a block. The block is kind of fun, and you can just dice it up into little bite-sized pieces of flavor, or you can use 1 cup of crumbled. If you're using the block, my block was 7 ounces. That's it for our salad component, so we'll set this aside and make our quick, simple dressing. We're gonna start by juicing a lemon. You'll need about 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and fresh is always best. Lemons always vary in how juicy they are, but it should be about 1 large lemon or 2 small. Next, you'll add in 1/4 cup of olive oil, and you want to use the good extra virgin kind. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and then 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper and salt. And you can always add more of that to taste. And then you just give this a quick whisk. We'll drizzle this over our salad and then toss to combine. Now, of course, I like mine to be all pretty, so I'm gonna grab a serving dish and transfer my salad in. But of course, you can always just serve it in the mixing bowl you used and save yourself the dishes. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.